author of Decoding the Butterfly Promise. The subtitle of the book is Regaining Our Feminine Power and Returning to Wholeness. And I'd like to talk about that today. What is feminine power? There's a big confusion about feminine power. I can tell you, feminine power is not wrapping yourself in saran wrap and appearing at the door for your partner when they show up. Feminine power is very powerful. We know we are out of balance, and in order to return to balance, we need to activate our right brain, which is the seat of our feminine power. And the heart is the doorway into that right brain. There's a lot of talk right now about what's right brain and what's left brain. We know that we're living predominantly as left brain humans. That means we're all about action. We're running from here to there. We're making lots of wars. We're making lots of decisions on power over people as a culture. And we're running into the wall. We know that intuitively, and we certainly are reading it a lot. What I learned in my journeys into deepest records is that we didn't used to be that way. We got born with a left brain and a right brain. And in fact, as we open up our right brain again, that's what's going to allow us to fly like the butterfly. We now have a right wing and we have a left wing, just as we have a right brain and a left brain. When they come together, there's an alchemical connection that happens, and we become a very powerful being. The essence of this book is how do we return ourselves to that power we once had? And it's a two-step process. One is to recognize how out of balance we are and open ourselves, open our hearts, to open our right brain, to then come back into balance with the left side of ourselves, which we've very, very highly developed right now. And once we have the two in balance, we then can fly. We then have remembered the butterfly promise, and we are now, once again, powerful.